SafeSwap is finally here. If you hold SafeHaven or you plan on purchasing some, make sure you watch this video until the very end. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And now let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, I am a big fan of SafeHaven. I absolutely love this project. It is one of my favorite long-term holds. SafeHaven has some amazing products that are definitely needed in the space, such as Inherit, world's first and only 100% decentralized inheritance platform. They also have SafeKey, SafeID, the Comet Wallet, ThorPay, and now SafeSwap. SafeSwap has been in the works for a very long time, but the wait is over. SafeSwap is finally here and it is officially live. So in today's video, we will go over SafeSwap, what it does, and most importantly, all the benefits that it will offer to SafeHaven holders. So make sure you watch until the very end, and now let's jump straight into it. So what is SafeSwap? SafeSwap is a decentralized atomic swapping platform where tokens can be swapped between different blockchains, such as VeChain, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Polygon. SafeSwap is eliminating trusted intermediaries and unnecessary forms of high gas fees, allowing users to execute fast and efficient swaps. As usual, SafeHaven's focus is on setting the standard for decentralization, security, and efficiency. So is this another swap like Uni where you are able to buy and sell tokens? No, SafeSwap is totally different. It is a cross-chain bridge for atomic swaps. So for example, let's say you have a token on the Binance Smart Chain. With SafeSwap, you are able to transfer that exact token over to the Ethereum blockchain, to VeChain's blockchain, or to Polygon's blockchain. And then you are able to use your tokens on those chains and take full advantage of all the benefits that those chains offer. So that is SafeSwap. It provides utility that is definitely needed in the space. Also, it is the only swap that supports VeChain. So how does SafeSwap's atomic swapping work? First off, you have to initiate. In order to initiate a swap, the user must select the blockchain, connect the wallet, select the preferred token, and fill in the amount to swap. Step number 2, SafeSwap's integrated UI then creates a unique secret code which delivers hash data to the contract. Step number 3, if the swap is initiated, SafeSwap will lock all tokens received from the source wallet in the related token pool on the source blockchain. Step number 4, SafeSwap accounts for the required tokens necessary and uses the unique code to unlock tokens on the destination blockchain. And then finally, step number 5, the tokens are then transferred to the connected destination wallet. So it is very simple and easy to use SafeSwap. So how does SafeSwap benefit SafeHaven token holders? As you guys know, a couple weeks ago, I ended up purchasing my first SafeHaven node. And I'm glad I did, because SafeSwap is about to give us even more benefits. Let's cover them real quick. SafeSwap is not only bringing a revolutionary atomic swapping platform to the market, but it also adds extra value and important utility to the SafeHaven token as well. Just as with any Web3 platform out there, there are some fees involved. SafeHaven pretty much has 3 types of fees. The first one is the default blockchain fee. Fee number 2 is the SafeSwap platform fee. For every swap made on SafeSwap, the user will be charged a small premium known as the SafeSwap platform fee. And finally, fee number 3 is the project listing fee. This is for all the project owners that want their token to be listed on SafeSwap. This fee is paid out in fiat or stablecoin. So now you're probably wondering, how will SafeHaven holders actually benefit from this? So all the fees across the entire SafeSwap platform will be split into 3 different parts. Part number 1 is the foundation pool. 50% of the SafeSwap platform fees and 70% of the project listing fees will be sent to the foundation pool. 30% of the first 10,000 of the project listing fee will go to the SafeNode rewards pool. So occasionally a part of the foundation pool will be used to market, buy, and hold SafeHaven tokens. But the foundation pool will mainly be used for further business development and to accelerate project growth. Part number 2, SafeNode rewards pool. And now let's talk about the SafeCoin node holders and how they will be rewarded. SafeNode rewards pool will be fully dedicated to a continuous SafeHaven buyback program and thus will be used to market buy SafeHaven off of exchanges. So for every swap that is done on SafeSwap, it will indirectly cause the price of SafeHaven tokens to go up, simply because 45% of the fees collected will go into the SafeNode rewards pool, where it will be used to purchase SafeHaven tokens off of the exchanges. And then all the purchased tokens will be distributed to the node holders. So if you have a SafeHaven node like I do, you'll be rewarded even more. The same goes for every project being listed on SafeSwap. They pay a project listing fee, and as mentioned above, 30% of the first $10,000 of the project listing fee will be added to the SafeNode rewards pool as well. Also, once people start seeing the extra benefits that SafeSwap will be giving to SafeNode holders, more people will be interested in purchasing SafeHaven nodes. And in my opinion, this can cause the price of SafeHaven tokens to go even higher. But that is not all. SafeHaven will officially become a deflationary token. A percentage of all the fees generated from SafeSwap will be used to market buy SafeHaven tokens and then burn them forever. So the more projects get listed on SafeSwap, the more swaps are done, the more SafeHaven tokens will be burned. So over time, the supply will decrease and hopefully the price of SafeHaven will increase. This is great news for all the long-term holders. As you can see, guys, SafeSwap is adding a lot more value to the SafeHaven token. But I believe we are going to see massive growth once projects start getting listed on SafeSwap. And this, in my opinion, will cause a lot of partnerships, a lot of business-to-business solutions. As of right now, 99% of blockchains out there are limited to their native blockchain. SafeHaven will be able to list other projects on SafeSwap and help them deploy products cross-chain. This allows SafeHaven to also use SafeSwap as Atomic Swap as a service, which will help expand market reach for SafeHaven as well as the projects listed on SafeSwap. And here are 10 benefits that project owners are going to get once they start using SafeSwap. Number 1, lower development and operational cost. Number 2, reach broader audiences. Number 3, offer more wallet choices. Number 4, no centralized third-party liquidity needed. Number 5, launch dApps across multiple blockchains. Number 6, go cross-chain without changing your tokenomics. Number 7, swap straight from and to the user's own wallet. Number 8, zero fees for failed swaps. Number 9, enhance user security and an additional security layer. Number 10, offer faster and cheaper trading of your token. I believe as more project owners learn about the benefits that SafeSwap offers, they're going to be lining up to get listed on SafeSwap. And in my opinion, this will drive massive growth for SafeHaven and those projects as well. So I'm very happy that I purchased the SafeHaven node. Hopefully in the long term, it'll make me a lot of money. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below. Check out the links in the description for some free crypto, and see you in the next video. Peace out.